Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. Here we are starting a new sub-series, and in this sub-series we will learn about ASP.NET website navigation and how we can achieve the navigation using the navigation controls. Let's get introduced to website navigation controls. A page can link to other pages, and we know that, right? So that's the heart of the website and website navigation. So if you take a specific web page, you may see multiple links, and when you click the link, it will navigate you to a different web page. This page linking can go deep in a hierarchical way. So if you look at some of the website, there will be multiple pages, or the navigation will be complex. Like you will land at one page, then by browsing through the links, you can go deep into the website hierarchy. Say for example, if we are landing at page A, let us say, so if you look at here we are considering only 3 plus 3, 6, 7 pages, and you can see how the link or navigation can go complex. From page A, you can click the link and reach page B or C, right? So from E, you cannot go anywhere. So that's kind of a end page. But to this page E, you can come through to navigation from A to B, then B to E, or from A home page, let's say, from A to C, then C to E, right? The same way, if you look at E, there are 2 incoming links. That means this page can be reached by B or C. The same way, if you look at the page N, there are multiple possibilities that you can reach here, right? From page A to C, you can come. From G, you can reach N, or from G, you can go to H, then you can reach N. So just for 7 page, if this goes this much complex, so let's say that if your website is having some 200 to 400 pages, and there can be multiple linking like this. So to handle all these links, ASP.NET provides a nice page navigation controls. All you have to do is maintain sitemap navigation, kind of a XML file that is deriving this kind of relationship. Once the sitemap is available, you can link that sitemap to any of the ASP.NET provided controls. So that's what we are going to see here. ASP.NET provides multiple controls to help the website user to know where they are. So for example, let's take this a simple example. User landed on home page A, they reached to C, then they gone to page H. Let's say that user is here at this time. So in this simple navigation, user may remember that, okay, I clicked or I gone to the home page. From there, I navigated to C, and from the page C, I came to this page G. So at present, I am in G. But if there are multiple navigations, say the user navigated 7 level deep, and they reached at a particular page, they may not remember what are all the previous pages they navigated or how they reached to a specific page. So that's what here we are talking about. ASP.NET provides multiple controls to help website user to know where they are. These controls provide navigation via menus, tree-like link pages. So you can use menu, tree-like link pages, or you can even use the breadcrumbs to say where the user is at present and in which path he or she navigated to the page G. So all those controls are available with the ASP.NET Navigation Group. In this subseries, we will learn about the navigation support in ASP.NET. So in this subseries, you will learn how you can form the sitemap, then how you can use that sitemap as a feed to the navigation controls. So you no need to derive the link, the control will take care of it because the hierarchy was already specified in the sitemap. Here we will learn sitemap path, that's one ASP.NET control, menu, tree view, as well as the sitemap, XML sitemap. All those stuff we will learn in this subseries. That's all here in this video. There is no demo in here. We will continue with the demo from next video onwards. Thank you for watching. Bye.